Welcome back to our channel, Tech Lovers. Today we're discussing IPTV installation on Android. Finding a trusted IPTV provider isn't easy in 2025. Stay tuned until the end for some tips. Let's start with the first step of installation. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Go to your device's app store now. Now search for your favorite IPTV app. We recommend checking out several options available. Once you've found an app, hit the install button. Wait a few moments for the app to download. After installation, open the app to start setup. You'll be prompted to enter your provider details. Don't worry, reliable providers like 2tv.store exist. Fill in your username and password carefully. Ensure everything is correct before hitting enter. After logging in, explore the vast channel list. You can organize channels as you prefer. Don't forget to explore the settings options. Adjust video quality based on your internet speed. Now enjoy live TV and on-demand content. Remember to check out 2tv.store for more options. Thanks for watching and happy streaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe now.